Hello everyone, I'm Kamlesh from Karpanga Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I hope that's going well there. I think you all like science because now we are going to see about an interesting science. So let's go into it. First, we are going to see about gravitational force, that is gravity. When I say the word gravity, you should have a name in your mind. Yeah, that is Sir Isaac Newton. All of us know that Newton discovered gravity. When that apple fell from the tree, he believed there is some force of attraction between the apple and our earth. He also believed similar forces existed between heavier objects like earth and the sun and earth and the moon. So he named the force as gravitational force. But he didn't know how gravity works. All these phenomena like apple falling occurs on a stage which is rigid and immovable. That is space. Space is like a drama stage. Space objects are the actors. The stage does not move during drama. Like that, the space is immovable. He explained space and time are absolute and are independent to each other. He told time is universal, which is same for everyone and everywhere. But his space and time concept is totally wrong. Then came Albert Einstein. He disproved Newton's space-time concept using his relativity theory. According to him, space and time are not absolute, but they are relative. Both three-dimensional space and one-dimensional time bound together and form four-dimensional space-time, which is flexible and not rigid. When heavier objects like Sun, Earth placed on the space-time, it forms a depressed curve, which is invisible. This kind of warping on the space-time is known as space-time curvature. This warping of space gives gravity. This depression depends on the mass of the object. For example, Sun has larger depression and its planets have smaller one. All the solar planets are revolving in the depression created by the Sun. When the depression gets deeper, the gravity increases. When it gets less, the gravity decreases. This model can explain Sun's catastrophe, which means the disappearance of Sun. We all know that without our Sun, our planets will escape from its orbits. Let's imagine if the Sun suddenly disappears from the solar system. According to Newton's concept, the planet should escape from the orbit instantaneously. But it is wrong. Einstein claimed that the planets would escape from the orbit after some moment. Let's take an example with our Earth. The light from the Sun reaches our Earth in approximately 8 minutes. If the Sun vanishes, the lost light rays travel to Earth in 8 minutes. When the Sun vanishes, the gravity gets disturbed. That results in the formation of waves that travel across the space-time. When the waves reach the Earth, it loses the gravity and Earth leaves its orbit. The speed of the waves is same to the speed of the light. Okay, now let's see an interesting fact about Mercury. Mercury revolves the Sun in different orbits due to its closeness to the curvature. Isn't that amazing? Okay, in 1919, Arthur Eddington made an experiment to prove Einstein's space-time curvature concept. He observed the light rays of the star behind our Sun during solar eclipse. He found that light bends when it comes near the Sun. Einstein's space-time curvature concept was proved by some other phenomena. Based on this, scientists are able to explain black hole. What is a black hole? Our Sun is a ball of fire. Lot types of physical and chemical reactions occur in it. Important one is the nuclear fusion. There, two hydrogens fuse to form helium, and it emits enormous amount of energy which is uncontrollable. Like this, lot of elements fuse, but at last they change into iron, which does not fuse again. Iron particles stick to the core of the sun. So the sun is losing a lot of its size, but it gains its weight. In one last day, it will lose all its elements and it will look like an iron ball. It has the mass lot times than the present sun. Like the planets, the sun is also rotating. That speed increases due to its mass. The space-time curvature would not hold the iron ball. So, the iron ball would dig deeply into the space and stops at one place. As I have told before, when the depression gets deeper, the gravity gets increased. So, the gravity of that black hole gets increased, which is approximately equal to the gravity of 6 million Earth. It can even pull another star with its planets and even light. And a lot of researches are going about these mysterious black holes. Okay? I hope you understand my speech. Thank you for listening.